this is a recap video of what we have done on our trip to Maryland so far to you because you've been working. So you've been working. We drove a lot. We did not keep right. Well, we did keep right, but then we exited right when we were supposed to.
We were just supposed to keep right, not exit right, but you know.
But the GPS wasn't very clear. It gives directions like Susan, you. And then we got here, and we stayed up late.
Very late.
We read some new rules.
Later than you.
Yes. And we discussed gay porn.
Oh, yeah.
Christian and Ollie. So cute.
Adorable.
Then the next day, we went to breakfast at Brass Balls. Is that what it was?
I think so.
And it was like Kick-Ass or Badass Bar or something like that. So
Badass, yeah.
Yeah, and we had
good biscuits.
Yes, good food, good biscuits. It was hot and sweaty and gross.
Some good conversation, but you lacked on that a little bit.
Yeah.
You gotta work on that.
Then we took you, Susan, to work. It was fun.
Yeah.
Then we went to the beach without you, sadly. We got sunburned. It was cloudly.
Just a little.
Cloudly, not cloudy. Cloudly.
With a possible chance of thunderstorms, but luckily we escaped those pretty well.
Then we came back. Yes. Then we came back. I did homework. Brittany read some gay porn. One of my favorite stories. My heart just don't beat the same. Amazing story.
I actually read the whole thing. I mean, you're lacking on that too.
Not just the sex scene, Susan. Then we went and picked you up, and we went to the boardwalk.
Got yelled at for being late.
Yes, and we went to the boardwalk and looked at lots of clothes,
Jewelry.
because we're cool like that.
Got Dippin' Dots, except for you.
Dippin' Dots was kick-ass. And we took pictures, lots of fun pictures.
Got her going on MySpace.
Turn your
Facebook.
computer into a
Like you said,
radio at
MySpace.
catcountryradio.com. The live streaming is
I'll ask you what that's about later because I'm confused. Then we got back to your house and we let you watch some Christian and Ollie.
We know you love them now too. You're hooked.
And then, I wonder if this is still recording.
I don't know. Let's check.
From the signature cream
Yeah, it's still recording.
You're not done with us yet.
And then we went to sleep, and we got to sleep in this time.
But we went to sleep late.
Yes.
Later than you again.
Yes, because you sleep and we just don't.
Back ribs.
You work, seriously.
Fried steak.
Then we
ate
Applebee's.
One of these
Yes,
meals
very good.
You got a water, a smoothie, coffee, and you helped us eat our awesome dessert, which you ordered because you're
Didn't want to.
Yes.
Pick your favorite Georgia
Then we drove you to
House
work, and we went
location
into your
to
work,
relax.
and we looked around, and
Saw some t-shirts,
Yeah,
but they were way too expensive.
Yes. I mean,
You really need to, hype up your advertising too. You weren't a very good associate, Zeus.
Oh, and you
Oh, and you're
also...
calling me right now, so I guess it's answer the phone.
Laurel, Milford, Millsboro,
Hello?
Shelbyville,
This is you on the phone with
Georgetown.
We're in the parking lot.
Blades HVAC Services asks, how comfortable is
Behind
your
some
living
trees.
room? Is it somewhere you
Total
can
walk,
stay
you'll find us.
comfortable, or are you sweating your
You'll
pocketbook
find us,
and
I
your
swear.
impact on the world?
Just walk,
An
you'll
energy
find us.
efficient
We're in like
geothermal
the first
heat pump
aisle.
by
Well, the
Carrier
furthest
can
one
save
to
you
like
up to 56%
all the houses.
on your heating and cooling costs, while
Across
also
from the boats,
lessening your
so
impact on the
we're across from
environment.
the boats.
When installed as a part of the Advanced Infinity System, it is
Yeah,
one of the most
somebody's calling you.
energy-efficient heating and cooling systems
just
you
keep
can
looking.
buy, all of
Keep
which will
looking.
make your living room a pretty comfortable place to be.
And
To learn more
then
about how
we
Carrier
went
can
to the
help
beach
you
again,
and
And I hung up on you.
around you.
Sorry.
And we got some more sunburn and stuff, but we also almost died in the water because
Shay almost died.
I can't balance. It was a fun experience. I think
Cute like
I think I had sandburn on my ass.
HVAC
And,
services provide
Hot Surfer
affordable
Boys.
service
We'll explain more when you get here.
We got pictures of them, so.
Visa
And then we read some stuff. Brittany read some gay porn. Possession.
Heat pump,
Awesome
Blades
stories.
HVAC
Got
chapter 3.
and Carrier. Turn to the experts.
The Mets won today. Woo! Woo! And yes, now we're sitting here waiting for you.
Because you obviously can't find us, and well, that's sad.
Oh, there's you. We're gonna videotape you.
Generations of well and
That's you. Right there, kind of. Yes, you're walking towards us. Yep, that's you.
Quick left doors.
That's you. Say hi, wave, look pretty. Okay. Bye.